now?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. Same problem of yesterday. So, يلا يا ريما. So we have 5 square. يلا read the question.
And 2 right-angled triangles are arranged as shown.
Okay.
The numbers 3, 8, and 22 inside 3 of the squares indicate their areas in square meters. What is the area of the square containing the question mark?
Okay. So we will calculate this one. Okay. This is the first. Then this one, Yarim, Rima. Then finally, we will calculate this one. Okay. I will say that this one is A, this one is B, and this is C. Of course, I want to find AC, because if I find AC, I will find, for example, let's say EF. Okay? EF and G. Okay? So let's take it step by step. What's the area of the square, Yarima? The area of the square?
S squared.
S squared. Type. Here, I have the area. I want to calculate the side. Okay, so for the small triangle, this one, okay, I will write it in the same color to see directly. Okay, so A square, afan. A equal to S square. So 3 equals to S square. Okay?
Yes.
Implies what, ya Rima? S equal to what?
Radical 3.
Radical 3. Halla, it should be plus minus radical 3, but because this is the length, okay, distance, we will accept the positive answer and we will reject the negative answer, because the rules say if you have x squared equal to 3, the solution will be what? X equal plus minus radical 3. But yes, I'm talking here about AB. AB is the side. So I will take only the positive number. So S equal to radical 3. Okay? Yalla Rima. Let's move to the BC.
22 equals S squared.
Okay, so 22 equals to S squared. So S equal radical 22. So in this triangle now, I have, okay, I will draw this triangle here. Okay, this is AB, this is BC. Okay, and I want to calculate this one. So this is A, B, C. I will use, which theorem I will use, Yarima?
Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagorean theorem. So, yalla, I will write what?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
So AC squared here equals to what? Okay. AB squared plus BC squared. So AC squared equal to what? To radical 3 power 2 plus radical 22 power 2. So it's 3 plus 22, 25. If AC equal to 25, AC squared equal to 25, so AC squared equal to 25 implies that AC equal to radical 25, which is equal to what? To 5. So AC is equal to 5. When I say AC equal to 5, it means this one will be also equal to what? To 5. Okay? Right. Now, I want what? I want to find EG. EG here, the same thing like the first two sides. This is red color. Let's make it in bold more. Bold. So now, yellow. The area of this triangle is equal to what, ya Rima?
S squared.
S squared. So S squared equal to what?
8.
Equal to 8. So S equal to radical 8. By calculator or without calculator, it's 2 radical 2. So now I know that EF equal 5 and this one equal 2 radical 2. Okay?
Yes.
Right. I want to calculate FG in this triangle. This is the right triangle. Also, according to which theorem, ya Rima?
Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, we will say that EF squared equals to GE squared plus GF squared. Now I have EF, which is 5 power 2, equals to what? GE power 2, 2 radical 2 power 2, plus GF, the side that I should calculate. So GF, or 25, equal to 8 plus GF squared. GF squared, 25 minus 8. GF squared equal to what? Yalla, equal to what, ya Rima? 25 minus 8. 7. Yalla, Rima.
17.
17. So GF is equal radical 17. Now I know that this one is equal to 17. Okay? What is the area of this square? So the question mark. The area of this square, the area of this square is equal to S squared. So of course not 17, radical 17. So radical 17 power 2. Okay, and radical 17 power 2 equal to what? Equals 17. To 17. Okay, so our answer is what? D. So this is very easy question. It's only about applying the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, I will explain something here. The rules say if you have a square, okay, if you have a square, the area of the square is equal to S power 2. This is S, the side. Also, another remark here, Yarima, the diagonal. Do you know the definition of diagonal? The diagonal is the segment joining the two opposite vertices. Okay, Yarima? So the rules say that the diagonal, which is here AC, equal to what? S radical 2. This is the rule. If you want to calculate the diagonal and the squared, you will take the side and multiply by radical 2. And if, for example, if S equal to 4, so the diagonal will be 4 radical 2. 5 radical 2. 7 radical 2. Okay? Then this is the first rule that I use, of course, for the area in this question. And the second rule, it's about Pythagorean theorem. Yalla Rima, according to what? According to what, Yarima? To which theorem?
Pythagorean.
According to, again?
Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, so BC squared, the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the square of the legs of what? Of the right triangle. We call AC and AB the legs of what? Of right triangle. So AC squared plus AB squared. Any questions before we move to another question?
It's clear.
Okay, guys?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, the most important thing, it's not yalla, this is the first question, this is the second question, this is the answer. No, it's about using not only one or two or three methods. No, you will see that some questions we need to solve it by different method. Okay, so next one. Yeah. Let me see here who I only. Yalla. Who want to solve this question?
May I?
Yalla.
The diagram shows three
Okay,
large.
but who's with me now?
What?
Your name?
Ragad.
Ragad, sorry, Ragad. Okay.
The
Yalla.
diagram shows three large circles of equal radius and four small circles of equal radius, where the centers of all circles and all points of contact lie on one straight line. The radius of each small circle is 1 centimeter. What's the shaded area in square centimeters?
Okay. Again, let's read the given, but step by step. So the diagram shows what? Three what, yeah, Ragad?
Circles, big circles.
Okay. And what?
Four small circles.
Okay. So three large circles and four small circles with equal side, with equal radius. Okay? Right. I know only that the radius for the small circle is equal to what, ya Ragad?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Okay. For any circle, okay, I think I should have, okay. For any circle, okay, we call this part radius. That one, what? Diameter. D is equal to 2R, or we say that R equal D over 2. Okay, guys? Now, what about the perimeter of what? Of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Of course, pi approximately 3.1416. Okay? The area of the circle is pi r squared. We need to memorize this rule. Okay? We need to memorize these rules. Okay, because if you don't know the perimeter and the area of the circle, for example, in our question here, okay, we talk about the area now. But if I don't know the area of the circle, I cannot calculate the area of the shaded part. Okay. Okay, guys. So the perimeter 2 pi r, the area pi r squared. If we go back here, he says that the small circle are equal, the large circle are equal, and the radius of the small circle is 1 centimeter, which is mean, ya Raghib, this one is equal to what? To what, ya Raghib?
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter. And this 2 centimeter, the value of 2 centimeter for the big circle, for the large circle is what?
Radius.
Radius, excellent. So now I know, ya Raghib, that the large circle have a radius equal to 2 centimeter, and the small circle has a radius equals to what? Let's write it as a small r, equals to 1 centimeter. Okay? But now we want to know what? We want to know the area of the shaded region. Yeah, do you have an idea, ya Ragad?
Maybe we find the area of the large circles and then we subtract.
Okay.
Like the
Let's
area.
find the area of the big circle and the small circle. Let's call big A for the large circle, or let's call this one C and this one C prime. Okay, the prime is the symbol only. We can say, for example, C, if you want C2. Let's call this one C1 and C2. Okay, I will write here in the large circle C1 and the small circle C2. Yalla, what's the area of C1? Yeah.
4 pi.
Okay, it's pi r square. So pi power 2 times 2 power 2. So it's 4 pi. This is the area of C1. Type. The area of what? Now the area of C2. Yalla ya Ragad.
It's pi.
It's pi because pi small r power 2 pi 1 power 2, which is pi. So now I find the area of the big circle and the small circle. Any questions before we continue to find our answer?
I have a question.
Yeah.
C1 and C2 are all for the big circle, yes?
What?
The C1 and C2 that you marked
Yes.
are both for the big circle.
No. C1, the big circle, the large circle, and this is C2 for the small one. Okay. Yalla, I will make another annotation on the figure. This one is C2. Okay. Okay, but I will write it here because I want to explain on this one. This is C1 and this one is C2. Okay, so now we want to find what? The area of shaded region. Okay?
Yeah.
Yalla Ragad. Understood?
Yes.
Jude, I think Jude or Rima.
I'm here.
Okay. طيب يلا رغد.
I'm not sure what to do.
طيب. رغد. We will play in this circle. Okay, pay attention. Okay, this circle. Type. If I take this part, this one, did you see that one? I will make it in the green. This part. Okay, Ragad, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, this part is equal to the same, that one. Okay, this one is equal that one. Is that clear, ya Ragad?
Yes.
Okay, so I will color that by the same color. Type. That one, yeah, Ragad. This one, this part here also equals to what, ya Ragad?
To the other shaded part.
Yes, excellent. Okay, so this one is equal to that one. Okay, now I want to calculate what, ya Ragad? The question is about the shaded region, which is what? The green one, the yellow one, and the two blue one. Okay? Okay, ya Ragad?
Yes, yes.
Type. Ragad, if I calculate, I already calculate the area of all the part inside the blue circle. Did you see the blue circle? This is the blue circle. Okay? if I subtract the area of all the circle minus what? Minus these two small circles. This one and that one. Okay? If I subtract what from what? The area of C1 minus 2 the area of C2. Why 2? Because I have two small circles. Okay? Again, guys, look to this part. Okay? Okay. Okay. Look to this part. Okay? This one. If I what? This part, this area inside the blue line. This is AC1. I will subtract from what? From this part and this part. How many small circles do I have? 2. So it's A for C1, the area of C1, minus 2 times the area of C2. The area of C1 is 4 pi minus 2 times the area of C2, which is pi. So 4 pi minus 2 pi is equal to what? To 2 pi. Okay? Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Any questions?
I have a question.
Yalla.
How did we get the area of C1 as the radius is 2? Because there is no clear radius in these big circles.
Okay. Yalla. This is the large circle. Who's asking?
Rima.
What? Rima. Okay, Rima. This is the large circle. If we go back to the figure here, in the big circle, I have two small circles. صح?
Yes.
Okay. Yalla. So this is the first small circle, and this is the other smart circle. Okay, I think I have some tools here. Maybe I can use them. Let me see. No. Okay, here. Just 1 minute. Picture. No. Let's go back home. Application. Okay. So I want to compass, for example. Okay, ما حتظبط هلا هون. Could be a big circle. No. Okay. Okay.
I think Mr. what you mean is that the diameter of the small circle is equal to the radius of the big circle.
This is the circle. I want to draw a proper figure, not by hand. So this is the large circle, and inside the large circle, I have two small circles. Okay, this is two small circles. So this one, the distance from here to here, okay, this part is the radius of the large circle. Okay.
Yes.
In the same time, this part is what? The diameter for what? For the small circle.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, so now the diameter for the small circle is 2 times small r, which is 2 times 1 equal to 1 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Any question? Any question?
Yeah. Isn't it that the radius is only responsible for the small circle, not the whole circle?
Yeah, the radius is for the small circle. But according to this figure, okay, the diameter for the small circle is the radius for the large circle. Okay? Again,
okay.
This is two small circle. Okay, and this big circle. Okay, the distance from here in the black color, the distance here, this part is the radius of the large circle. At the same time, this one is the diameter for the small circle. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Understood? For the radius and the diameter for the small circle and the big circle. Look to the figure again. Look to this figure. Okay? This one from here to here is what? Is the radius for the large circle. In the same time, he is what? He is the diameter for the small circle in the red color. Okay? Okay, guys. You can ask. Don't be hesitated to ask any questions. We are here to learn. It's not about directly find the answer. No. Sometimes if we have some mistakes, it will be good for us for the preparation for the exam or the test. Yeah. Next questions. Yalla, who's gonna solve this one?
Can I solve it?
Yalla. But as usually, we need to read carefully the given, then step by step, we will solve the question. Not directly it's A, it's B, it's C or D. Okay?
Okay. A bee moves from hexagon X to hexagon Y. She can only move from one hexagon to another. If they have an edge in common, how many different routes are there from X to Y that pass through each of the 7 white hexagons exactly once?
Okay. So, yalla. We want to what? We want to move from X to Y, but I need to what? To
have
move from X to Y by what, yeah? This is Jude or who?
I'm Jude.
Jude, yalla Jude.
They should have an edge.
Okay. So we need to add how many times we can start from X, arrive to Y. Of course, but we need to what? We need to touch the 7 white what? Yeah, Jude.
Exactly once.
Exactly once. Yeah, let's start, for example, from here. Okay? Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first one. 1. Okay? Can I count this roots? Can I count this root, yeah, Jude?
Yes.
Yes, because I already pass through what? The 7 white hexagon only. How many times? 1. Only 1. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the first one. The second one with another color. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is another one.
Why should we do it at 2 times?
Okay. يلا يا جود. How we should do it?
Why did we do it 2 times?
No, not 2 times. It is different times. Not the same route. Different route. Because look to the black route. The black route, I go to this hexagon, then to that one. But in the red route, I got this one, then directly that one. I should have different ways. Then I will count the first route, second route, third route. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Let's read again the given. The given say that what? How many different routes? The question say that how many different routes are there from X to Y that pass through each of the 7 white hexagon exactly once? Different. Okay. Yellow. Also 1. Maybe 1, 2, for example, or yalla 2, or no. Let's say like that. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I got here. So this is the third one. So now it's maybe B. Let's see if I can also have another route. Okay, do you understand how I solve this this question?
Yeah, I think so.
The others, Ragad, Rima.
Yes.
I don't know if Ahmed with us, Yahya. Okay. So again, I will give you this exercise as a homework, and I need to know exactly how many times we can pass from X to Y. Again, let me explain. If I move, for example, here, this is for the first hexagon. I move to the second, to the third, for example. This one, that one, this one. I cannot move here because I already passed through this hexagon. So I cannot count this route. For example, first, this is the first one, second, third, fourth, number 5, number 6, number 7, and here we go to 1. So I count this route as a first route. Then to the second, I cannot have the same route because it will be the same. I will not count another route. I will not count it as another route. Okay? Because of that, look to the, for example, to the red one. I will move to here. Then there, I change the route now. For example, when you want to go home from the school to go home, I will say to you, how many different routes do you have to go from school to your home? You cannot count the same route twice. If you go from the same place, you need to what? To change a little bit the street, for example. You will not go in this street. No, you will go in another street. So we can count it as a new route. Okay, so this is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can also have another one and another one, another one. So I need to find how many times we can have, how many routes do we have starting from X to Y. Okay, but I will give you a help. I will write it as a number. This number 1, the hexagon number 1, 2. If you can take a screenshot, please. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, when you write the first route, you will write, for example, if I will take this route, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I will write like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the first one. Okay. Then I will take another one. This one, that one, that one, this one. So it's 1, 6, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 7. This is another way, okay, to go from X to Y. And till you have the right answer. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. I will remove all the numbers. Okay, yalla. Take a screenshot for this one. And tomorrow you will give me the answer. Of course, the answer I will not accept B, C, D. No. I want C with the 4 roots. Okay?
Okay.
Yalla. Let's move to the second question. Yalla. We're gonna solve this one. Yalla, come on, guys.
Yes, mister?
Yalla. You can start.
Should I read?
Yes.
Okay. I once met 6 siblings whose ages were 6 consecutive whole numbers. I asked each of them the question, how old is your oldest sibling? Which of the following could not be the sum of their 6 answers?
Okay. So, I once meet how many? Yeah, Yahya, is Yahya or who?
No, it's Mishari.
Mishari. Okay.
6.
Okay. So I have 6 siblings. Their age are what? Are what, yeah, Mishari? 6 what?
Consecutive whole numbers.
Consecutive whole numbers. Give me an example for 6 consecutive numbers. Or 2 consecutive numbers.
1 and 2, because
1
you're
and 2.
next to each other.
Excellent. Type. If I say give me 6 consecutive whole numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excellent. Type. Do you know their age?
No.
No. Type. So I will call the first one. The age of the first one, I will call him what? Because I don't know the value of
X.
the first one. What?
X.
X. Excellent. So if the first one is X, the second one will be X plus 1,
X plus 1.
then X plus 2, then X plus 3, then X plus 4, and finally X plus 5. Why X plus 5? Because, ya Mishari, now, how many
6
brothers do I have? 6. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's write it here. The first one, second, third, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay? Right. I ask the next question. How old is your what, ya Mishari?
Oldest sibling.
Okay. How old is your oldest sibling? And the first one will say what? The second one will say what? The third one will say what? Number 4, number 5,
They all have the same
number
answer
6.
except the last one.
Yeah. So the first one will say, my brother number 6, he's what? He is what, ya Mishari? The old. So it's
They're
X
all
plus
gonna
5.
say 6 is the oldest, except
Okay.
the last one's gonna say 5 is the oldest.
So X plus 5, X plus 5. Any question of this part? Again, Ragad, Jude, Rima. I don't know if Yahya is with us, Ahmed, and also, of course, Mishari. What does mean 6 consecutive whole numbers? It means like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Type. I don't know the age of the first one to say that 12, 13, 14, or 20, 21, 22. So I call the first one X. Type. if my age is, for example, 30, okay, the next one will be 31. So it's 30 plus 1. Then the next one will be 32, which is 30 plus 2. So if my age is x, the second one will be x plus 1, then x plus 2, then x plus 3 till x plus 5. Then I will ask x, the first one, tell me how old is your oldest sibling? He will answer that x plus 5 is what?
The
Is
oldest.
what, Mishari? Again?
The oldest, except the
The
last
oldest.
one. 6.
Okay. Except what? Except the x plus 1. When I ask the x plus 1, from all your brothers, who is the oldest? He will not say x plus 5, yeah, Mishari.
He will say x plus 4.
He will say x plus 4. Excellent. He will say x plus what? Plus 4. And if you have a brothers, for example, and you are the oldest, if I ask you, how old is your oldest sibling or your oldest brothers, you will say the next directly. If you have, for example, 27, you will say the oldest brother is 26. Because I'm not asking about your age. No, I'm asking about your oldest brothers. Okay, so now it's x plus 5, 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 x plus 4. The question is what? Which of the following could not be the sum of their 6 answers? The sum of what? The 6 answers. Type. Let's add them. X plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to what? The sum.
6x.
6x.
So it's 6x. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25, and plus 4, 29.
So I think what you do is minus 29 divided by 6 each number.
So now, yes, exactly. Because x is whole number. So I will do what now? I will put 4 equation. 6x plus 29 equal to 95. 6x plus 29 equal to 125. 6x plus 29 equal to 167. 6x plus 29 equal to 205. 6x plus 200 plus 29 equals to 233. Then I will find x in each equation. Okay, type. Let's say that Jude solved the first one. Ragad, give me the answer of the second one. Mishari for the third one. Mishari and Rima. Okay, I need another one. So this is for Rima. And for the final one, Yalla, who want to find the last one? So Jude, Ragad, Mishari, Rima. I will write R-E. Who say now?
Reem.
What?
Reem.
I have Rima and Reem. So this is for Reem. Yalla, I will give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes to give me the answer.
I'm done.
Yalla, just 1 minute.
Me too.
Yalla, I will wait the others.
I'm done as well.
I'm done.
Me too, I'm done.
Yalla. So, Jude.
X equals 11.
Okay.
I mean,
11. يلا
I mean 6.
رغد
16.
what?
Mister, I mean 6, not 11.
طيب رغد
16. I got 16.
No, sorry, I divided it by 6, but now it's 11, sorry.
okay, don't worry. Okay, Ragad, can you give me the answer?
Yes, I said 16.
16, sorry, Ragad. Mishari?
23.
23. Rima?
It's 29.3.
29.3. Reem?
34.
35. Okay.
Yeah, 34.
So, who have the right answer? Jude, Reem, Rima, Ragad, or Mishari? The question
It's
is
200.
okay. Which of
D.
the following could not be the sum? Could not be the sum. Which one?
It's 205 because it's not divisible.
Yes.
Like,
it's not the whole number. Okay, it's 29.3. Okay, guys? Understood?
Yes.
Type. Any question before we move to number 14? I don't know if you can solve number 14. Maybe I'll explain the number 14, then you will take it also as a homework. Okay, yalla, let's move to the second. Yalla, who can read the given?
I can read it.
Yalla.
Judy puts 222 tiles in a long line. Then Lean removes every 6th tile. Next,
Okay.
Noof removes every 5th tile from those that remain. Then Miriam removes every 4th tile. Finally, Rima removes all the remaining tiles. How many tiles did Rima remove?
Excellent. So how many tiles do I have?
222.
2022. Okay, like that. I will explain. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till what? 2022. Okay? Understood? Type. Like that. Type. So let's start by what? Yalla. Lean. Remove what?
Every 6th tile.
Okay. Every what? Every what?
6th tile.
Okay. 6th tile. Yani. She count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They remove then the tile number 6. Okay? Then, yalla. Then
Mr. I think the answer is D.
Wait. I don't know. I don't want the answer now. And yalla. No, remove what? Every what? Every what? 5th tile. Yani, she count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Maryam remove what?
Every 4th tile.
Every 4th tile. Yani also she count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then finally Rima, our student here, removes what? All the remaining tiles. We need to know the number of tiles that Rima will remove. Okay? This will be for the next time, inshallah. for tomorrow. Okay, so now we have number 14 as a homework, and I think which number? 12. Okay, 12 and 14, both
Okay.
of them are homework for tomorrow. Okay? Yalla, see you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.